Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cayo Ardi Brambodo and you can call me Ardi. And now I will deliver my speech through slide verse about mental health as a global health issue. So next. First thing first, before we discuss about mental health, do you know about mental health? Or what is mental health? This topic is quite famous right now because many people in social media discuss it deeply, and it is important to understand because I'm sorry, it is important to understand because it is related with our attitude and our brain function. Next, according to Piper and Uden in their book Religion in Coping and Mental Health Care in 2006, mental health is a condition when human not blame itself, have realistic estimates for itself, have enough satisfaction in their life, be able to proclaim itself, be able to face many problems, and have a happy life. Next, and according to World Health Organization in last October data 2020, in low and middle income countries there are 25% people have a good mental health and 75% people have a mental health issues. There are several mental health causes such as mental disorder, neurological problems, drug abuse, and many people cannot access the health facilities to overcome their mental problems. Next, there are several effects that arise from the presence of a mental health issue on a person, but the most dominant effects on someone who has mental health issue are depression and self-injury. If these two effects persist in the long term and balanced by a stimulus to many problems to think about, people usually will be hopeless with that problems and they will end their life in suicide. So next, now we talk about examples of mental health issue. There are so many examples of mental health issues, but I will explain to you just three of it. Number one, depression. Depression is a mood disorder characterized by a feeling of deep sadness and indifference. A person is declared depressed if he has felt sad, worthless, and hopeless for 2 weeks. Next is bipolar. Bipolar is mental disorder characterized by drastic emotional changes. A person suffering from bipolar disorder can experience symptoms of mania or very happy and depressive or very sad. Number three is post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. PTSD is mental disorder too that arises after a person experiences or witnesses an unpleasant event. Next, in mental health issue, there are also treatments that can be done. There are several treatments for mental health issues, but I will explain to you just four of it. Number one is cooperative psychotherapy. Cooperative psychotherapy is a talk therapy provides a safe medium for patients to express their feelings and ask for an advice. Psychologists will provide assistance by guiding patients in controlling feelings, and psychiatrists will assist in administering drugs to patients. Some example of psychotherapy include cognitive behavior therapy, exposure therapy, and so on. Number two is drugs or pharmacotherapy. Pharmacotherapy is about giving drugs to treat mental disorder, generally aims to change chemicals or hormone in in the brain. For example, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors or SSRIs, serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors or SNRIs, and tricyclic antidepressant or TCA. Next, rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is required if the patient, sorry, rehabilitation is required if the patient requires tight monitoring uh, of the symptoms of the disease. There is an emergency on their mental, such as an attempt to suicide. And next, support group. Support group generally consists of people with similar mental health issues or who have been able to control their emotions well. They come together to share experiences and guide one another towards recovery. Next, in conclusion, we have to know our mental condition in order to avoid mental disorder that exists. We must always think and do positive activities in daily life. And if we realize there are misperceptions in our mental or mindset, we must consult to psychologists or psychiatrists immediately. Okay, and so that's my speech for today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.